Islamabad. My Okay, let me introduce myself again. My name is Sayyida Nadia Raza, International Watercolor Society Coordinator from Islamabad, and welcome you all. I can see the fresh faces, beautiful faces all around. Today I have this honor to host this program, and I have another fellow with me.
Assalamu alaikum. Let me introduce myself. This is Shaima Umar, watercolor artist and IWS coordinator from Lahore City.
Welcome all, I am Kashif Shehzad. I am IWS coordinator for Hyderabad. So I am representing here the both Center of Excellence in Art and Design. I am teacher here and I am representing IWS Pakistan too as a coordinator. So welcome to the 3rd International Watercolor Biennale Pakistan. This watercolor Biennale is not the first one. It's the continuation of the watercolor Biennale that was first initiated in 2016, and after that 2018 there was another watercolor Biennale. In that Biennale almost 60 countries participated from all around the world with 444 artists, and it was the big event ever in the Pakistan. Now in this 3rd International Watercolor Biennale, we have many other countries. Those were not in the previous Biennale. Some more countries we do have. 52 countries we have here with 290 artists. Most of the artists, they are well versed in the globe, all over the globe. Mostly the master watercolor artists are participating here. Thank you.
Let's start this evening with the recitation of Quran. Mr. Hafiz Sharif from Lums will come on the stage for the recitation of Holy Quran.